You will receive a bag of frosting, which is your gingerbread house glue. You will receive all the pieces for the gingerbread house. Cut a small piece off of the corner of the bag so you can squeeze the glue out. Make sure that the top is sealed tightly. Okay, fix your base together and then wait for about 5 minutes and let it dry. It's helpful to have a tray or something flat, a flat piece of cardboard covered in tin foil to use as the surface for your gingerbread house. So my base is dry. I'm going to put the roof on. And I'm going to let the roof dry. Okay, and we're gonna let it dry again for 5-10 minutes. Okay, so I did go back and I added frosting along the roof line to help seal the top. My frosting is mostly dry, and so now I'm going to start decorating. Naomi used some marshmallows and made a little snowman. We'll put some little eyes on it. She made a path. So to glue the path down, we can just stick a little bit of frosting on each candy and glue them down. Oops. Like that. Okay. We've got some candy canes. Maybe I will put some candy canes on the corner, the gingerbread house. But really, you can do whatever you want. You can pull out your own candies or your own ideas. We have a little star here. We'll put a star on the door. We've got a wreath. It's pretty big, so I'll put the wreath, stick that up on the roof. We've got some marshmallows that are kind of fun. Yeah, hand me one more marshmallow. We've got some little M&Ms. So can put some little M&Ms on the roof, in the triangles. Something like that. We have a little Christmas tree here, so I might make some stripes on my Christmas tree. And then we have some more candies. Maybe I'll put little
a star on top of
Oh yeah. And we get out another star. The star. Put some more little candies on the tree. Something like that. Let's put a dab of frosting. Woo, that was a lot. Okay, stick a star on the top of the tree. It might not stay like that. Ooh, it's so big.
Alright.
Maybe we can.
So
stick
there's
it to the
no
side.
right or wrong way to decorate a gingerbread house, right? It's just
Anything you want. You can decorate the sides. Sometimes people like to put little paths around the sides, things on the side of the house and back behind the house. You can decorate the chimney. Anything.